Today, as you walk the passive path past paradise. 3, 2, 1. The long, hard rain starts to lift as your feet splash from one large puddle to the next. The path itself looks as more of a wading pool, and the stones can just be barely seen under the surface of the water. Soon the sound of the raindrops beating down around you becomes soft droplets, and much to your surprise, the sky brightens up to the intense sunset behind the clouds. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. This warm sunset, blazing the sky, carries a hot breeze through the grassy meadows about you. It feels that the fire in the sky laps its heat over your damp skin, much like a very soft campfire. The last few droplets of rain run out through your hair as a sweet scent of vanilla carries through the trees and the tall grasslands nearby. You start to move slower, and the splashing waters below your feet quiet down as you slowly wade your way towards the distant horizon. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. You take a look around you as the golden sky gently nudges the surface of every stone and blade of grass. The water now, almost as smooth and reflective like a mirror, makes you look like you're traveling through the reflective clouds below. In this moment, you gain a connection to the land around you. It's almost as though you're coming home again. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. This moment breaks with a quick gargle from your stomach. Soon it will be time to eat. But despite the warm heat from the setting sun, everything around you still needs time to dry. When it does, you will take a quick break and go into your pack for a little bite to hold you off till later. For now, you gaze off back onto that horizon line and splash through the water again at a slightly quicker pace. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. we all walk together again.